Hello, this is Sai Nidhi, and today I'm working with one of the labels called Vinita Bansali. So, I want my makeup to look exactly like this. These are the references. I want it to look like it actually is there. We are not going for the subtle makeup look, it's going to be a glam Indian aesthetic vibes. So, let's get into it. If you want your makeup to look effortlessly flawless, you have to do your skincare first, like proper steps. I start with this Sebum Matte Moisturizer, which is so gentle. I love it. I'm actually in a hurry, but I'm gonna go with this Delva spray because it's summer and you need something which hydrates your skin like this. If you know me, you know I'm not a full coverage person. I don't like it when my skin actually looks like something else. So I'm gonna go with this e.l.f. tint. I use it as concealer too because this is like the exact shade of my skin, so it doesn't make much of the difference. What all I can see in this makeup look is the blush. It's like this. So of course मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगी, but I'm gonna do this. Okay, this is the tint I'm using because I think it's so visible that surely she applied a tint. It is going somewhere. I feel like it is going somewhere. The eye makeup is like more of the kajal here, so I'm gonna use this palette. This is like the most beautiful palette in my vanity. It's from Huda Beauty. If you want to invest in a palette, go for Huda Beauty. They have the most amazing pigmented palettes. So I'm gonna go with this shade because it's like nude and kajal. So yeah. I need a really good kajal. I'm using this one from K. This is like my all-time favorite kajal. It's like you watch yourself, okay? To be very perfect with this. Here as well. So I have to take this brown shade from my palette. This is the one I'm gonna take. Dab. And इधर अच्छे से इसको smudge कर लेना है like this. I'm gonna use this brush and along with that the darkest shade in my palette to create the wing. I'm mostly done with my eye makeup. I just need to use some concealer because you can see a lot of extra. Focus here on cleaning the extra dirt. Curling is like really important. Difference, I mean, even after that you don't want to apply mascara, that's completely fine. This Too Faced brown mascara because I love the fact that it can be removed easily. Yeah. So for the lip liner here, I'm using the PAC lip liner. This is like the pink nude shade. For the lipstick, I'm gonna use this Love Earth lipstick, which is amazing. I love Love Earth for their lipstick because specifically they have the shades which actually complement your skin tone. So this is the one we're gonna go with. I'm gonna use thoda sa concealer because if you can focus on the lips, it's like a mix of nude and there's like the difference clearly that you can see. So it on the inside. Again, I'm gonna use this tint on the inside where I applied the concealer. Just leaving it for a... Today I've received this huge package from Love Earth, so after that I've been really obsessed with their lipstick and lip combos. Just the shade we need. Use only on the outer line like this. Okay? Apply your lip gloss like this. You will never feel that heaviness on your lips. All I can see in this tutorial is this blush, so it's not still there, so I'm going to use this contour from Benefit and this blush from Too Faced to get that look. Dab again on this. It's like the lightest shade of brown. Do this. we are done. I hope you like the video because this is what I do for any shoot. I just get the reference and I try to recreate the look, and I think I did a really good job. I'm sorry for that. If you like the video, go subscribe to my channel. I want you to be a part of this family, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.